fucking rebreather. So yeah, I got a little vacuum hose cap for the hose that goes from the valve cover to here. I disconnected the battery or whatever. So yeah, you got to put a clamp on that. So yeah, we opening it or whatever. The tools that you need is not much. All you need is a 10 mil. Hondas love 10 mils. And fucking screwdriver, whatever. Maybe pliers, depending on if you have a stock intake, so you can take the clamps off, like these right here. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna open it. Damn, this fucking shit is tight. This is a nice ass thumbnail, but does it fit on perfectly? No issues. Nice. Turn it around just so it won't be a bitch for us to take it off later. Yeah, cover. Yeah, it's right there. Perfect. Nice. All right, good job. Good job, babe. Good job. All right. Now we good. Oh, let me hold it in for you. Pause. Hey, yo. Make sure that it won't come off tight. That type of tight. You feel me? Yeah, it's good now. Good job. Okay. Good job. Hell yeah. Make sure I don't drop nothing. It's on. Where's screws at? You got the screws, right?
Yeah. Put this down.
Oh, fuck. Thank you. All right. Putting the screw on, right?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, my love. Wait, no, this is... Okay. I bet your shit is already done. Yep. All right, you fucking win. You got me. All right, you fucking got me. Man, you did it hand. I'm using a fucking tool. Everybody's gonna fucking cut my ass now. Get in. Push it in, baby. Good shit. All right, let's see how this breather. Let's see how it works now. Not really a cold start, but cold off, I'll tell you that much. Already warming up. Already. Wow, look, 3 bars now. All the vibrations you hear, if that annoys you, that's my Hasbro motor mounts. Have them all over. I got the whole set. See, it just went up to 4 bars. See, pretty fucking good, man. The best $20 mod you can do for your car, other than the Hybrid Racing V10 springs, which I already have. But yeah, if you guys want to improve your car for a little tiny bit of money, definitely get that rebreather valve.